guys, so I came back. So we found this little nice lily pad. Just ripped a bit. We want to put it in here, get a bit more. So we're gonna see if there's more beautiful stuff. We might see with some little, scares, black racers. There's some snake or black lasers. So, but usually there. Wait a second, just. There are usually some bugs that live in the water called black racers. They live in lakes, so we're gonna try maybe to see if that one's good. Just get it. You can come here, guys. Come. So here we have another lily pad. Doesn't really look that beautiful. So I'm just gonna try and get that little guy. That's beautiful. Looks like some caterpillars in it. I think it's actually not good. So let's just put it down. So we're gonna, so let's go.
Are we gonna go search around a little bit?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Guys, so we found a little clue. We found beaver poo right here. It looks quite ugly. So you can see this beaver poop. So let's continue on our journey. So we are gonna go see this place. Check out if there's maybe some tiny froggies over here. Find some algae over here. So I can just grab it with my hand. So I will just try to grab it with my hands maybe, and maybe actually, I don't think so, but
Do it.
Okay, fine.
I do it.
Okay, you can come here, guys. Just a sec. You come here, see, there's like algae sticking out of the ground. So we might find actually maybe a newt or something. Trying to drink water. I think they're actually not that good algae.